channel. So today we're doing some fun, simple, fast little ideas for your patio or your front porch for fall. So I did very, very neutral colors, and I love the way a lot of this turned out. This is definitely something that I would keep out now through fall, just because it has the light color teals and white touches to fall feel, along with some succulents, you guys, because I feel like my channel used to be all about moss and succulents, and it's kind of slowly gone away. It's kind of something that I don't love as much as I used to, and I don't know, but still love my succulents, don't get me wrong. Always have real ones, love them. Also, this company called Banggood, they sent me a couple items. I kind of flipped them just a little bit. They have a really, really cool website. There is tons of home decor, electronics, toys, anything you could possibly think of, flowers, all kinds of fun stuff. That website will suck you right in, although it does take a very, very long time to receive. I thought of getting these things during the springtime, or like the summer, not the spring, the summertime, and it has taken a long time. Now my channel is doing fall, so that's why I kind of flipped some of these items. Not that they weren't great the way that they were. I just wanted the right colors, so I did a tiny, tiny bit of painting, that's all. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did with these items. I'll leave the links in the description box if you do want to check out the website. It's fun. I like websites like that just suck you in for hours because there's so much there. But anyways, let's get started. Show you guys my neutral fall color front porch patio decoration. So the first item that was sent to me was this plant basket. I think this is really, really cute. You can also put blankets, toys, other types of things in here. I just thought I would use this as a decor piece. I did not know that I chose the color pink at the bottom, which really is not my color. I probably could have put this in my youngest daughter's room, but I decided to just paint the bottom white. So I just used my Waverly chalk paint in white and just painted the bottom so I was able to use it in my normal decor. Once the bottom was painted and everything was dry, I just took a bunch of plastic bags and just stuffed them in. And then I have a ton of these pumpkins from Target from a few years back and last year. And then some pumpkins also from the Dollar Tree. And I think they all look super cute together. I love the neutral colors because I know it's not fall yet, but I just really, really want some pumpkins out. But I think these are really, really cute together. And I think this is a perfect little porch piece or like a patio. You could use this as a centerpiece. I have a little crate I can stick it right in, so I think that's perfect. This next item they sent me was this sweet home. I think it's a planner as well. You can hang it. I don't really have anywhere to hang them, so I just chose to set it on a crate along with the planter basket. And then I just took some flowers from Dollar Tree and some lamb's ear from Walmart and just stuffed them in, and I think this is super, super cute. And the last piece that was sent to me was this little succulent planner. So I was able to pick everything out, although I really don't love this piece that much. I thought it would be bigger. It's actually pretty small, and I do not like the colors of the flowers, so I did decide to paint them. And I am just using two different colors of paint, an orange and a blue from Arteza, and I thought this looked a lot better, and I think that it will also look pretty cute when all the fall decor is sitting out on my patio. The truth. And then I'm just reusing some of these river rocks. It looks like there's some cat hair in there, and don't mind that. We have animals and it happens. And now I'm just adding some succulents from the Dollar Tree in here, and I think this does look really cute. You can definitely add some real ones. I don't have any real ones to put in here, and the ones that I do have are growing and they are perfect, and I am not going to move them. So fake ones for now. I think this actually looks really cute with all these little succulents in here. And this is how everything turned out. I absolutely love everything. This planter basket has to be my favorite thing. I think this turned out so cute. I love all the pumpkins in it. This little sweet home planter, I think this is also really, really cute. I think if it was more spring or summer, I would actually be adding some real flowers in it, but I think this turned out really cute. I love the way it looks. Like I said, there was a little hanger on there, so you could hang it up, but like I said, I chose not to. And then the succulents, those look really cute as well, although I don't know about the color of the little pot that it's in. So I don't know, let me know in the comments below what you would do with it, because I'm just still not super happy with it. But it is what it is. I don't know. I just don't know if I just like the whole thing in general. Maybe I'll just spray paint it white. I don't know. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to check out Banggood. They have some really fun items on their website. And you guys, that's it. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I wish we could start all